Hey, so I made some updates to the script. I used some of Peter's stuff just for counting and things like that. But let's take a look at what it does now. So we're running 7 threads. We're going to go ahead and just run through. As you can see, it's not just video recording lag. We'll see why that is in a little bit. Yeah, this should run for 25 seconds. Obviously, you could run it forever, but I just didn't want to have to stop it in the middle. And so now we can see just about everything that dropped. There is more than likely no duplicates, but there may be some missed items. I'm not going to go back through Blood Aqueduct and verify this. But let's take a look at the specifics. First, we'll start with the file generator. So we use POE, which is a great resource for programmers trying to get into art files and stuff like that. But basically, all we're doing from that is we're dumping all of the base items, and we're just creating a quick script that registers all the base type items and generates a sound file like we were doing before. But now, since we have so much more, so many more filter items, we get something that looks more akin to this, where it's all base items. As you can see, there's 23,000 or 23,000 lines roughly, and something that's pretty fun is when you go to reload the item filter, it takes a little bit. So let's check out. So according to Windows, there's about 4,000 item files, but this seems to be working. The threading on the actual monitor script is necessary because items can drop multiple times within the time that it takes to scan 4,000 files. So we take all the files and we split them into some arbitrary number of files and pass them into a multi-threaded function that scans 400 or 600 files or whatever, so that we have a better update time. But obviously this is causing some latency. The hard drive latency should be pretty good. I'm running all of this on a solid state drive, but as you get more and more granular from this, so over 4,000 item types, it's going to get a little bit more difficult. Anything over about 9 threads, scanning 300 files or so is almost unplayable. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm going to try to figure out a way to knock this down, but I tried symlinks and those don't seem to work. And yeah, so if you guys have any advice how we can reduce scanning 4,000 files at a time or more, that would be awesome. There's probably some right now. Obviously we're just polling for that, which isn't very efficient, but anyways, if you guys have any ideas, let me know.